Ma'am, while I am preparing it, so as you have mentioned that under the SWAYAM platform, when one MOOC course have to be started, there will be multiple faculty members coming from different institutes, and
Yes,
according to their capability, they will be given different sessions. Okay.
yes.
So with this idea, if we preparing my
As
detailed plan, yes, ma'am, please.
as an expert of that session.
Right. Uh, so can it be mandatory to create different
Yes.
experts in different sessions, or it can be done by 2 or 3 faculty members as a club of
भी
that
कर सकते हैं,
particular course?
भी कर सकते हैं.
Okay, that is no hard
आप वो
and
भी
fast
कर
rule. It depends upon that committee, academic
सकते
coordination committee that you have shown.
तो
Basically it is.
and also आपका आप हो सकता है you might be very good at your own subject, so you can take
Yeah.
maximum that subject.
Okay. Okay, that can also be done. Okay.
That can also.
Okay. And second is, for every session, there will
Yes.
be a, I say, evaluation process, that how this particular day's session has been run, and whether the student understand that one, and whether they can showcase their understanding through this particular
This is
evaluation process.
and this is what we call continuous evaluation.
Right, ma'am. Right. Okay.
Okay.
Uh, any other faculty members have any question?
Definitely.
Yeah. No, I am informing them actually from my. I am also sitting in a different room so that I can inform them. Okay,
Right.
that is why I have moved from that room. Uh, any of the faculty members who want to share their problems, they can come down to my chamber and express your problem. Vijay ma'am, please give us 1 or 2 minutes. We are arranging that one. That what are the problems faculty members are facing, and whether many of the times it may happen that faculty members do not face anything, because in our college they are preparing this type of lesson plan. So they are quite, I say, accustomed with creating this type of documentation.
Because then they all should prepare, they all should go
Yeah,
in for
yeah, yeah.
MOOC
Create
swag.
their syllabus, and I think it will be not very much problem, because we are preparing it under the guidance of NBA accreditation process. So they are also the similar type of things, but yes, obviously the mode was previously offline, now it is online. So that the faculty members are doing. Let me take 1 or 2 minutes and I am coming you back. Okay.
जी किसको पूछना है क्वेश्चन? पारस में क्लास में हूँ, बताओ जल्दी जल्दी बताओ, जल्दी बताओ। जैनू का नहीं आया तुम्हारा? ओके, तो वो दे दो। शिल्पा, शिल्पा मैम से कोऑर्डिनेट करो। हाँ जी बताइए भाई।
Ma'am, within a minute, one of the faculty she's joining. She has to go to another room, so it will take few minutes.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon. Good morning, ma'am. This is Dr. Asneet. Ma'am, I cannot hear you. Actually, your
You can't hear me?
audio. Yes. Now I can hear you, ma'am. Absolutely fine. Ma'am, while I was making the plan that you have sent us, right? Because I teach economics, right? And I wanted to know, like, we are shifting because aapka tha, it was related. So, like, we are shifting from one topic, from demand to supply, or the other topic. Do we have to every time? I mean, I this is just, I don't know, maybe like, do we every time have to change or just have a recap of the previous class, because at times the topics aren't related that much. And also ma'am, आपने हर जगह expert लिखा था, वो last column, so that expert will be coming for, or
Can it be that can be you too? आपने देखा
yes,
होगा मैंने अपना नाम भी लिखा हुआ है।
हाँ जी, right,
That expert can be you too. And जहाँ आप
okay,
recap की बात करते हैं, वो the thing is you can even take a recap about the assessment, whether you
okay, the
you
last
follow.
three.
And
And ma'am,
also,
yes ma'am,
and understand डिमांड एंड सप्लाई भी है, और आपने सपोज डिमांड करा दिया तो सप्लाई
But-
को आप उसको रिलेट करके ही पढ़ाओगे आगे।
okay ma'am, okay.
And
And
this
ma'am, एक
so that, कई बार क्या होता है कि the students are totally, the topics are not making any sense to the students interconnectedly. So
correct.
this is also a chance for you to establish the interconnectedness of the topics.
Yes, ma'am. Right. And ma'am, one last question here was that, ma'am, while we are taking the evaluation of the students, right, it should be then and there, or it can be given at the later stage also. Like, for example, आपने MCQs लिखा था, so MCQs तो we can मतलब tell them, or polling method किसी तरह भी, मतलब whatever, or they can do it at, or
By the way, जब आप मूव कर रहे हो, ये MCQs तो आपको पहले से ही बनाने पड़ेंगे।
yes ma'am, okay,
तो ये ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने अभी उस वक्त सोचा
on the spot.
ही बनाने पड़ेंगे। योर लेसन प्लान शुड बी वेरी फॉर्म्ड अप। ये अलग बात है कि आपको लगा कि कुछ एमसीक्यूज चेंज करना चाहते हो तो आप चेंज कर लो, बिकॉज दिस ये जो आप करते हो, ये आपको पूरा लेसन प्लान एवरीथिंग यू हैव टू गिव बिफोर हैंड।
Okay, so it is planned everything well in advance, everything from the content to. Okay,
Yes.
okay. Thank you, ma'am.
जी, एनी अदर क्वेश्चन? I had taken the same course in the same session in University of Allahabad. वहाँ इतने questions आए थे, so I'm wondering either you guys have understood everything or you have not understood at all. चलिए, और anyone else?
Ma'am, actually the thing, ma'am,
I have a suggestion. आपकी जो फैकल्टी बैठी है वो व्हाट्सएप पे क्वेश्चन भेज दे या वॉइस मैसेज पे भेज दे, तो Manisha Arora, who is the organizer, can read it out. Any other question?
ma'am, just give me 1 minute.
Yeah. आप मुझे वॉइस मैसेज भेज दीजिए, मैं सुन के बता देती हूँ आपको.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, there is a question. What is the difference between the first quadrant and second quadrant?
Okay. So when we talk about first quadrant and second quadrant, आपने देखा होगा कि जो आपका फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट है उसमें क्या लिखा हुआ, आप क्या कर रहे हो, यू आर बेसिकली इंट्रोड्यूस. फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट जो है, सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट में आप रीडिंग मटेरियल दे रहे हो उनको, ठीक है. सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट में आपका रीडिंग मटेरियल जब आप पढ़ा रहे हो तब आपको सिर्फ फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट ही है आपका मतलब का.
Okay, ma'am.
देखो मुझे फिर से देखिए, आपने जैसे आपको सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट है उसमें सेशन 3 में देखिए केस स्टडी ऑन ट्रेड थ्योरीज का है, तो आप सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट में जो आपने रीडिंग मटेरियल दिया है आप उसको डिस्कस करोगे. देखिए समझिए, फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में आप रिकैप करते हो और थ्योरी पार्ट पढ़ाते हो, ठीक है. सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट में आप उनकी प्रैक्टिकल इम्प्लीमेंटेशन जो भी है वो डिस्कस करते हो क्लास में.
Okay, ma'am.
थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में स्टूडेंट पार्टिसिपेशन स्टार्ट हो जाता है और फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट में असेसमेंट है. ठीक है जी.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, there is another question. Is there any limit to sessions or it should be restricted to weeks?
नहीं, आपको वीक्स में ही रिस्ट्रिक्ट करना पड़ेगा. आप ऐसा तो नहीं कर सकते ना कि आप एक कोर्स को 6 महीने पढ़ाते जाओ, ऐसा तो नहीं कर सकते.
Yes, ma'am.
And it will also depend on the credit you are proposing for that course.
Ma'am, let me just check if there are any other questions from the faculty. Ma'am, that's all for today. There are no other questions. There are no doubts. And I'm sorry for the inconvenience caused because there is, online it happens. There are some glitches that happen. So
We all have to be considerate.
yes, ma'am.
कोई और क्वेश्चंस नहीं है आपके?
I don't think, ma'am, there is any other question.
Okay, I'll ask a question. आप लोगों ने इकोनॉमिक्स में, there was a teacher from economics. आपने इकोनॉमिक्स में continuous evaluation के लिए what all have you decided?
For continuous evaluation.
अनीशा, आप क्या पढ़ाते हो?
Ma'am, I teach HR. I'm Swati Sharma, actually.
Okay, स्वाति शर्मा, HR में आप continuous evaluation में किस तरीके के क्या-क्या evaluation innovatively कर सकते हो?
Ma'am, I can, for continuous evaluation, I can give, ma'am, quizzes in class that I can do.
Innovatively आप क्या कर सकते हो? आप क्या पढ़ाते हो? Tell me about the one module which you teach.
Ma'am, I was teaching, ma'am, in the last semester I taught human resource only. So it was for the first time I was teaching. Actually. Ma'am,
तो HR में आप क्या कर सकते हो? बहुत इनोवेटिवली क्या कर सकते हो? आप रोल प्लेइंग, आप 3-4 स्टूडेंट से कह सकते हो कि आप रोल प्लेइंग का वीडियो बनाइए.
yes, ma'am, for the interview and yes.
First that role playing का video in your next class. Actually, it's a very good idea even when you are doing these kind of sessions these days when you're teaching online. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am, for the wonderful session. So I hope everybody has gained the great insight on the topic MOOCs. So thank you so much, ma'am.
Participant, tell me what worked for them or what did not work for them.
Now let me answer this one. As no one is in front of the microphone, that is the problem. Ma'am, the basic idea was this, that everybody have a hype that what is SWAYAM, what is MOOCs, how we can go, what is the way to move, and the way lucidly you have explained before us that these are the steps. Obviously, we get a basic path how we can start and how we can in a stepwise move towards that direction, so that we create our own MOOCs and we can put it in different forum to be available in national or international level. That is our takeout from this session.
And I would strongly suggest all of you, most of you are young teachers, this is the future of things to come. So we say what you should do, you should make these 4-quadrant approach, and it's called a 4-quadrant approach. What you should do, you should make a 4-quadrant approach and try and experiment with these 4 quadrants, that how you can better your teaching. Okay, thank you very much. All the best to all of you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for joining us. And
Swati ma'am, director sir will say something.
Okay. So, ma'am, director sir will have some, words for you. So he'll say something.
Director sir.
Okay. Yeah, I'm there. Okay. Good morning. I think it is still good morning. Ma'am, Professor Vijita Singh Agarwal, ma'am, it was wonderful that you were part of this session. And you had given a hands-on experience and shared the structure which you have already prepared yourself. So definitely faculties, they have gained out of your session, and they will definitely prepared MOOC, or like in case they need any further help, we will get in touch with you. So it was wonderful having you for this session. And thank you, everyone, participants, and the ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Professor Hoti, pleasure being here. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. It was wonderful having you for this session.
Good luck and goodbye.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Swati ma'am, hello, Swati ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Please do not stop it. Professor B.L. Gupta is on the platform. Let we start discussion with Professor B.L. Gupta first. Just wait.
Sir,
Gupta
are
sir.
we audible?
Yeah, you are audible. Gupta sir.
Sir, are you preponing it?
No. I am just asking what is your idea for the next session?
No, no, I
Good
have
morning, Gupta
enough.
sir. Good morning.
Good morning, namaskar.
Yes,
Nice
sir.
to see you, everyone.
So it is
After a
pleasure
long
having you
time.
in this session. So how
Yeah,
is
yeah, I was
everything
there
at
in the
Dubai?
session.
How is everything
Yeah.
at Knitter?
Yeah, I think basic information she has provided.
Yeah,
Nice to see all the faces, familiar faces.
yeah,
Yeah, so she provided the basic information related to uh, uh, preparing MOOCs for the SWAYAM platform. But there are many things which I would like to share if you want to provide me an opportunity. That is one
Obviously,
thing.
obviously, we are
That is
waiting
one thing.
eagerly to hear you from sir,
Ji, ji,
because we want to learn
ji, ji.
hands-on, the way hands-on you have taught us in I say NBA preparation. In the
Ji, ji.
same way, you want to learn it, and sir, only one problem is there.
Ji.
Our most of the faculty members are sitting in one room,
No problem.
and there if we have to ask them question,
Ji.
there is a problem. Let we try to correct it in between if possible, or the better way it is possible.
Mhm.
If not, we will organize another room where whatever the question, the faculty will come down to that room and they will ask you the question. ओके बिकॉज एक इंटरेक्शन में ही प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, और बाकी तो सब कुछ है। हम लोग आपको देख पा रहा है, आप जो
जी,
शेयर
जी,
कर रहे हो देख पा रहा हूँ, आपका बात सुन पा रहा हूँ, बट व्हेन यू आस्क क्वेश्चन इंडिविजुअली फ्रॉम दैट रूम आई कैन नॉट आंसर. दैट इज द मेन प्रॉब्लम. लेट वी सी how far it is
No,
corrected.
you can put one laptop over there in that room, and those who are
हाँ वही वही
interested,
वही
then
वही तैयार कर रहा हूँ. हाँ वो
जी,
उसको तैयारी कर रहा हूँ. ठीक है, इसी
जी,
बीच में मैं उसको तैयारी कर रहा हूँ. ओके सर,
जी, जी,
सो
जी.
वी विल जॉइन एट 2 p.m.
No, no issue. I am ready.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
जी,
So
जी.
in the same link, we will join in the same link.
Sure, sure.
Okay, 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 sir. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you.